Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Tom.
Do you have time?
Yes, I have time.
Let's plan our trip.
I am so excited.
Where should we go?
I want warm weather.
Do you like the beach?
I love the beach.
How about Hawaii?
That sounds perfect.
The island is beautiful.
And the sun is hot.
We can swim daily.
And relax on the sand.
When should we go?
Next month is good.
Let's check the dates.
The first week is open.
7 days?
Yes, 7 days.
It is a long holiday.
We need a break.
It will be fun.
It will be amazing.
Are you sure?
Yes, let's go there.
Okay, Hawaii it is.
I am so happy.
Me too, Sarah.
Let's look at flights.
Good idea.
Get your computer.
I have it here.
Let's start planning.
Here we go.
This is great.
The computer is ready.
Open the travel site.
Okay, it is open.
Search for flights.
From New York to Hawaii.
Look at this airline.
The time is good.
It leaves in the morning.
I like morning flights.
Is it a direct flight?
No, one stop.
That is okay.
Do we want economy?
Yes, economy is fine.
Choose our seats.
I want the window seat.
You like the view?
Yes, I like clouds.
I will take the aisle.
That works well.
Do we have bags?
Yes, 2 suitcases.
I will add baggage.
Is insurance included?
I can add insurance.
Yes, please add it.
It is safer that way.
Okay, book the tickets.
Clicking the button now.
Are we booked?
Yes, we are booked.
We have tickets.
Check your email.
The confirmation is here.
Great job, Sarah.
Great job, Tom.
Now we need a room.
Yes, let's find a hotel.
Look at this hotel.
It is on the beach.
It is a big resort.
It looks very fancy.
It has 3 pools.
I love swimming pools.
Look at the room.
It has a big bed.
And a balcony.
Can we see the ocean?
Yes, an ocean view.
That is so romantic.
Does it have breakfast?
Let me check.
Read the details.
Yes, free breakfast.
I love hotel breakfast.
Me too. Coffee and eggs.
Is there a gym?
Yes, a fitness center.
Perfect for us.
Read the reviews.
The reviews are good.
5 stars.
Mostly 5 stars.
People like the staff.
The service is good.
Let's make a reservation.
Putting in our dates.
Name and address.
Yes, typing it now.
Confirm the booking.
Done. We have a room.
This is real now.
We are going to Hawaii.
I cannot wait.
It will be the best.
Our dream vacation.
The trip is tomorrow.
We must pack today.
Get the suitcases.
They're on the bed.
What should I bring?
Bring your shorts.
Okay, 3 pairs.
Don't forget t-shirts.
I have 5 shirts.
Bring your swimsuit.
The blue one.
Yes, the blue one.
Do I need a jacket?
Maybe for the plane.
The plane is cold.
Bring a light jacket.
What about shoes?
Sandals and sneakers.
Okay, they are packed.
Do you have sunscreen?
No, I don't.
I have extra sunscreen.
Put it in the bag.
Where is your camera?
It is in my backpack.
Do not forget the charger.
Good point. The charger.
And your toothbrush.
Yes, in the kit.
Check your passport.
I have my ID card.
We don't need passports.
Right, it is domestic.
The bags are full.
Close the zipper.
We are ready.
Good work, Sarah.
I am tired now.
Sleep well tonight.
Tomorrow we fly.
Wake up, Sarah.
I am awake.
It is travel day.
The sun is up.
The taxi is here.
Let's grab the bags.
Do you have the phone?
Yes, and the tickets.
Let's go outside.
Goodbye, house.
Hello, airport.
The traffic is light.
We are early.
Better early than late.
I see the terminal.
It is very busy.
We need check-in.
There's the counter.
Give them the bags.
The bags are gone now.
Security check.
Take off your shoes.
Okay, we passed.
Find the gate.
Gate number 4.
Let's sit down here.
Wait for boarding.
I am so happy.
Hawaii, here we come.
Best trip ever.
I love you.
Let's go fly.
Here's the plane.
Let's go.
Adventure starts now.
Yes, it does. Good afternoon. Hello. Welcome to the hotel. Thank you very much. How can I help? We want to check in. What is the last name? The name is Miller. Let me check the computer. We have a reservation. Yes, I found it. Good. 7 nights. Yes, 7 nights. 1 room, ocean view. That is correct. May I have your ID? Here is my driver's license. And a credit card? Yes, here's the card. Thank you. Just a moment. The lobby is beautiful. Okay, all done. Great. Here are your room keys. 2 cards. Yes, 2 cards. What is the room number? Room 502, 5th floor. Where is the elevator? Just around the corner. Do you have Wi-Fi? Yes, the password is on the card. Thank you for your help. Do you need help with bags? No, we are okay. Enjoy your stay in Hawaii. Thank you. Let's go.